Elementals are very changeable. They're very spontaneous. They get bored with routine. They are stimulation addicts. They always want something different every moment. And in their world, that they live in a higher frequency than us. And so in their world, they can change everything with their thoughts. You know, now we're here in the spring, and I'm curious to see what will it look like in 1 week. And they can now make it look like this. And so if you want to work with elementals, they don't like being around depressed, negative people. For them, this is a toxin. So they are attracted to you when you are having fun, when you feel gratitude, when you send them energy, and they eat this energy. And so they get stronger. And when they get stronger, they get closer to our manifested world. And so when people say, how can I ever change the earth so that it will be healed and we will all live in peace? It's very simple. First of all, you must be this yourself, and then you enter a certain resonance, and everybody that you are with will move to this resonance. It's all a matter of what our mind thinks of. And we can hear that with science, that our mind creates reality, and that our thoughts are so important and it creates reality. We can hear this in theory. And so this is why it's so wonderful with modern physics that they can actually prove that our thoughts can determine how atoms will travel. And you can also see this with the experiments that Dr. Misuru Emoto did, and he published it in Messages from Water. Then we see with his experiments that thoughts will either make water better, heal the water, or our thoughts, if they're negative, will make the water more polluted, more undrinkable. So we have to look, really, can we program our own water? Just like Misuru Emoto could look with thoughts, program water outside, we can program water inside. And you can see the water elementals in little streams, tiny little streams, as they're very little undines. And then as they get bigger, they go into big rivers. And in their evolution, when they're adolescents, they like to go to the waterfalls to play, jumping over the waterfalls. Yeah, to have contests. Who can go to the biggest waterfall, like Niagara Falls? This is the Olympics for the undines. And then when they get really big, they go to the ocean. And these are the powerful ones. Yeah, really the powerful ones. And they are controlling all the water. The water element is 75% of the earth is water. And when we're born, we are also 75% water. And we think this is an accident? No, we are exactly what the earth is.